We have to find out the integration of 2x plus 3 upon 2x minus 1 dx. Now in the denominator we have 2x minus 1. So adjust this minus 1 as minus 1 plus 1. So we will get 2x minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 plus 1 plus 3, that will become 4 upon 2x minus 1. Now 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 will get cancelled. We will get integration 1 plus 4 upon 2x minus 1 dx. So integration of 1 dx plus 4 integration 1 upon 2x minus 1 dx. Now integration of 1 is x plus 4 integration of 1 upon 2x minus 1 is log 2x minus 1 upon derivative of 2x minus 1. So x plus 4 upon log 2x minus 1 and derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So we will get x plus 2 log 2x minus 1 plus c.